You guys want to see what I won from Baby Girls and Models 1? A collection. I'll try to post a picture of what it looks like on Amazon. They shipped it directly to me. It comes with the base coat that I use quite often. It comes with the top coat. It comes with their black. Use this a lot. I'll show you some examples. And these were the cool little add-ons. Baby Girl Nails collabed with them. This is number 11118. This is a Galaxy. I've never had one of these like this. Look at that. They make great by themselves, make great toppers. Here, I'll just swipe it on real quick. I'll show you what it looks like over glitter. This is a Mifa polish underneath here. You want to apply it horizontally. It adds just an extra element. I've already pre-did it on a couple little nails to show you. They're true black. It's over a regular nail stick. This is their true black. I don't even have a nail that fits this. Here, ugly nail. This is their true black with that topper over it. Look at that. Gorgeous. There's purples, reds, blues. You name it, the color, it's in there. It's all rainbow. And I also did it over a red, the Model 1 red that I have from another set. And look at that. It's got all those colors. It shows up well. It shows up better over the black, but it can be used over any color you want. A great topper. I love it. I'm excited. Got quite a few nail arts planned for that. I did a review on Amazon on this set too. Because I did buy a set. I accidentally bought the set forgetting I want it. Their cat eye gel. This stuff works great. This magnet is so strong. Look, it'll hold up the nail thing. I haven't had a magnet this strong. Comes with the dual side. Super, super, super strong. I'll set that up for you. And then what I was thrilled about was their no wipe matte top coat. Yes, no wipe. The one I've been using, you had to wipe it off with alcohol. It still looks shiny when it came out of the lamp. But I'm telling you, nail art lovers, you put this on, it comes out. You can watch it in your nail lamp. Turning. Sorry, I'm tapping. I'm just so excited. I got this in about a month ago. I haven't got to review it. I've been playing with it. Oh my, this stuff is the bomb. I'll show you what I did. I just put their black down from this set, put some stripe tape down, top coated it with the glossy top coat with a matte top coat, pulled it out, and I was watching it in the lamp. This is a full one matted. I pulled it out. Get this out of the way a little bit so you can see the colors. Their black is so black. I mean, this is over a clear nail stick. It is so black. You can't see through this. Nail art lovers, you will love this black for nail art. I just got it wet. It is a true matte. When you get it, watch it in the nail lamp. It turns matte right before your eyes. I loved watching it turn. I did this one first, so I watched it real close on this one. Sorry, it's wet. I just had some tea. This is a super easy nail art. If you'd like a tutorial on it, I'll gladly do it again. Do it on my own nails. Got some cute ways of using your striping tape different. I still got to get mine set up. Super, super easy versus, let me zoom you in. I'm really working hard on being in my frame. Got a condition that just makes me, I don't know, like hyperactive almost at times. You just cover it in. It will look glossy. I wish I could show you a peek into my nail lamp. Remember how glossy that is. I didn't even have a top coat on it. Pop it in the nail lamp. Always got it here handy. You'll see how the difference is. How you get this. Let's just go and play with the cat eye over this nasty dilapidated nail. Because why not? This is just Thanking Model, this is just a quick video to thank Models One, thank Baby Girls Nails, their collaboration. Thank you for the contest. I'm so happy I won it. I need these products in my life. And look, I didn't get it here on purpose, just so you can see that it's still shiny. I didn't touch it. This is in real time. Look how matte that is. I didn't wipe it with anything. And where I missed, you can just go back and fill it in. But if you want to do a nail art that has both in it, you can do it just like that. Just skip the part that you want, or you can put a decal over it, mat it in where you want it matted, pull the decal up, cure it, and then it'll be shiny in certain places and matte in others. I'm going to try that. That is very cute. I'll put the link to the lady that showed me matting that in. I wish I had a better nail stick prepped, but I don't. So let's just see what this cat eye looks like. First look. It's shining, for me, it's shining green and purple and who knows what other colors. It's color shifting like. Sadly, the set I ordered from Amazon, I let it go outside and try to show the gorgeousness of this. In winter, no less, still winter. So, alone, this just looks, I can't, let me bring some light in. This will cure in the sunlight, by the way. That's what I'm trying to explain. I was trying to show it drip from front of the bottle for Instagram. I'm so happy it came in, it cured on my brush, but I just wiped it off with a lint-free wipe and it was fine. Alone, this looks gorgeous. Let's see if I can get that trick to work on camera. You hold it over, don't touch, and there's your cat eye. You can keep playing around with it. I love to play with this. I would say do 2 coats of the cat eye to make sure you get a really good cat eye. If you touch, you'll get a little bling, but it'll self-level back out. You can do swirlies, really get that color shift effects. Oh, I just don't know how to film this really good. It's so exciting and fun to play with. I've got a girl out there that watches my channel that never even knew these magnetic polishes existed. We exchange happy mails. She may get one, who knows? Look at this. She's not getting this one though. This is my favorite. Ooh. Well, maybe. Depends. I don't know. All depends. Oops. Right side of the magnet. You can just play and play and play. It won't lock in the design until it's cured. I mean, it just pulls it. Look at that. I'm trying to watch what I'm doing. I'm not sure how much you can see. Look. That's so cool. I've got some from the Born Pretty store that didn't come with magnets. I bought a cheapy magnet off of Amazon. It didn't work. Now I'm so interested in trying those. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeousness. Again, thank you, Models One, for doing the giveaway. Thank you, Baby Girls Nails, for hosting the giveaway. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Thank you once again. That was my biggest win ever. It won't be hidden. We want everybody to know it. Share it on Instagram. I'm going to come up with some ways you can get extra entries into that because it is a higher priced item. I will not have more than one winner for each item. Each person will only have one win. Their name will be taken off of the little wheel and they will have no more entries. Again, I'm working on the details. So Models One is for doing the video. Some other help I gave them with things. They're going to give me the dip powder to give away. 5 of them. If we get 500 entries, ladies and gentlemen, please get me 500 entries when that contest is announced, okay? Please help this lady out. I'm going to have 3 to give away, so it's rather fair. I'm trying to make sure it's really fair for those that have shared. I'm working on it. If you have ideas, you know how to reach me at Nails of Interest on Instagram. Please help me out, figure out how we can do a great giveaway. I want to share it on Instagram. I want to give the Models One company a lot of publicity on this. They're so nice. They gave me this great set just for commenting on Baby Girl Nails video and saying enter me. I mean, I got this great cool set. How nice is that? The company is super nice. If you ever have any problems with one of their products, you can just send them an email. They will email you asking you, did you get your item in? I love that. Let me get a view of this set. So again, if you ever have a problem with a Models 1 product you've purchased, just email them. Don't put a bad review up yet. Don't be nasty and mean in the comments that if the package was shipped to you and it was damaged, it's not their fault. They actually send the product. If you buy through Amazon, they send the product to Amazon. It's in Amazon's warehouse. They have no control over the product after Amazon has their hands on it. If it comes in wet, it comes in damaged, Models 1 you will receive in your email. You will have an email from them by the time you receive your product. If it did come in damaged, contact them. They will help you out. Contact Amazon if it was a package issue. Even if it was your mail carrier's fault, they will take care of it. Amazon has a great policy on that. Models 1 has a great, superior customer service, just as She Modern does. These companies I really appreciate the customer service these companies are providing.